And again, this bridge here, and I was fortunate enough to be working on this bridge many, many years ago. So there's more than 1,000 of our weldable strain gauges on the structure. And they're weldable because you need to be able to install gauges really any time of the year, whether it's raining, snowing, icy, or whether in that rare occurrence of good weather in Scotland, you need to be able to weld these on. And you use a portable capacitive discharge spot welder, something like this. This happens to use a lithium-ion battery pack, so you can carry this around with you. And this is for what's called structural health monitoring, or SHM. And it can be used for measuring construction forces, life cycle prediction, and preventative maintenance. So for construction forces, the Queensferry Crossing has the world record for the longest unsupported cantilever. I think it was something like 680 metres. You can look at the Queensferry Crossing website for some of those statistics. The preventative maintenance is an interesting one, because whilst they were building this bridge, the Forth Road Bridge had to be closed because a crack was found on it, and the strain gauge team from here went over to that bridge and did some more testing to see whether the bridge was safe or not. And within 6 weeks, they managed to reopen it, but they made recommendations for what the ongoing maintenance needed to be to make it safe for a lot longer. And one of my favourite trips in my job over many years was to go to the top of the North Tower here. They were still pouring the concrete. We were about at 180 metre level. And it's quite surprising to be outside and looking down on what was one of the world's biggest bridges. It's quite a sight.